If you're looking for a superior plug-and-play sound system for your Bronco, you're going to want to check out Trail 7's Alpine Status Bundle today. Hey everybody, Mike here with Trail 7. I wanted to introduce our plug-and-play bundle that we just launched. This is Alpine Status Series. This is a high-quality, high-performance sound system for your Bronco. Everything you see here comes plug-and-play. I want to explain a little bit what you get and what we do. This is just a little bit of a teaser shot of what's offered in the full bundle. Check out the page to see everything that's included, but I'll walk through a little bit of what we have here. So for the speaker setup, you're going to receive a component set for the front. This is a 2-inch Alpine Status speaker that's going to be mounted in a bracket for the top dash. This is a 6.5-inch driver that's going to go down the kick area. We're going to send this mounted inside of the baffling. This baffling is to help the speaker to perform better in the Bronco. So that way, when it's down in its metal cage down there in the kick area, it's not going to sound like it's in a metal cage. It's actually going to perform as it's intended to. The rear pods, we're going to provide some sound deadening for you to put on the inside of the pod. And we're going to provide the polyfill as well. This is going to help the 6.5-inch coax speaker just perform better with inside the pod. The front component set is also going to come with this passive crossover system. This is going to mount on the driver's side. Underneath the steering wheel, there's a plate that this mounts to. We show you where. And on the passenger side, this is going to mount behind the glove box up behind. We're going to provide all of the wiring. So this is all complete plug-and-play system. Now getting over to the amplifier, we have two setups that we provide. First of all, this is compatible with a non-B&O Bronco and a B&O Bronco. So if your Bronco is equipped with the factory B&O system, we have an option. And if your Bronco is not equipped with the factory B&O package, we have an option for you as well. This one here is displaying the non-B&O package. So this is using the LC5 module. For the B&O package, it's going to be a different module here. It's going to use the PAC module. So that's going to be in replace of this LC5. In addition to those options for the two Broncos, each Bronco will have an option for two different amplifier setups. One amplifier is going to be a 5-channel amp mounted to the front. It's Alpine Status V90. Mounted to the front of that, so it's a 5-channel. Can power all the speakers and your subwoofer, which is also going to be included as an option in the package. The second amplifier package is going to be the dual amp setup, which is a 4-channel amp on the front side and a mono amplifier on the back side. What that does is that offers more power, bigger power, better power, and more adjustability to the speakers, as well as more power, better power, bigger power to your subwoofer. So what we have here is just displaying what the dual amp looks like. As you see on the front side, again, this is all Status equipment. This is all Alpine Status. On the front side, you have your 4-channel amplifier. This is how it comes. So what you see right here is what you receive. This is going to come with the T-harness, everything plug and play. There's also going to have the power kit connected to there. So the power wire, the grounding. As you can see, the grounding is back behind here. So the front side of this is the 4-channel amplifier. And the back side of this beast is the mono amplifier. This is an 800-watt mono amplifier, and the 4-channel Status amplifier is providing about 100 watts per channel. So like I said, the dual amp setup is going to get your speakers and your subwoofer more power, better power. You have more adjustability, being able to separate them out. And then the single amplifier is just going to be an easier installation because it's one amplifier. It's providing still a great amount of power. It's clean power. It's the Alpine Status V90. So there's just two options depending on what kind of power output you're looking for. So again, this is just a little bit of a demonstration of what we're offering in the Alpine Status package. Please check out the site. You'll see all of their components. Everything is 100% set up, plug and play. How you see it is what you receive. This is how you're going to install it into your Bronco. We do have installation videos to show you the brackets, installation videos to show you the speakers, and we're here to help you out with anything you need along the way. If you're interested in checking out the Alpine Status package for your Bronco, please visit us today at www.trail7.com. Until next time, we'll see you out there.